The stars are brightly shining. It is the of a dear Savior's birth. That song. Fall on your knees, or hear the angel's voice. Oh, night divine, oh, night. You are a bad person. You are a bad person. If na waiting. Now shrine music be that I just sing now. That one they make you sleep too. When you go say you drink last night, they talk do anyhow. Ginger oh ginger, ginger oh ginger, ginger. You are just a bad somebody.
All right, continue on to the second part of the gist. Now, for inside this restaurant, this particular lady, now she own her restaurant and she been they close shade for that day.
Jeez.
You know, say if they close now, some people go come knock. One guy come knock, say, I beg, make I just quickly use your toilet. I take God name beg you. You know, so that thing they happen where. Now she say, okay, make she open door for the guy making use toilets. Not being she open door, finish. Now the guy attack her, say, you, I must by force touchlight you. Unknown to him, the girl is a Masha ad.
Huh.
Well, when she turn table like this, when she hold the guy like this, when she get upper cut,
Boom.
give her lower cut,
Boom, boom.
middle cut,
Boom, boom, boom.
centralized cut.
Boom, boom.
Now for ground, the guy meet himself.
Pause ayakala.
As he meet himself for ground, now
Hey.
she can't stand up, run. She won't run, she run, enter inside her car for inside car park. No be as she enter inside the car park. This one happen for inside China. No be as she enter inside the car park. The guy still follow her enter the car park again.
Hey.
And now she say, oh,
Why?
you don't used to learn.
Ooh.
She catch him again.
Hey.
Give him blow.
Poor.
Give him backhand.
Poor.
Give him front hand.
Poor.
Give him knock.
Igby. Hey.
Come on. Now the guy fall.
Yeah.
She first of all do one like this. You want to try me? You talk am for Chinese.
Oh, yeah.
You want to try me? Do you know who I am? Have you seen my muzzle? Meet am for ground. When she can't run, enter inside her motor. He can't come again. Now she tell her, say, you again? I don't like the first time. I will deal with you again. Eat this one. 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 Yes, like that. Eat one. After 2 weeks, police can't catch the guy. But are you okay?
We're not there for them. We're not there for them. Yeah, but we know the actual fame. Forget.
After 2 weeks, police can't catch the guy.
Finally. But that guy himself, he not even good at all.
Say they want
person will go try for attacking for. He first beat you. Police can still catch you join. 2 weeks later, not be the same day. You are
2
finished.
weeks later, I'm telling you this.
You are finished. If you want to learn badness, come learn from Mayowa. You don't even know anything. Mayowa. They don't pay cash out. Even if they catch herself, she go, she come out. You understand? Not be editing.
How my name take entrance? This thing happen for China.
No,
they use my name for example.
You calm down, Johnny. Your temper they rush too much.
No, they use my name. There are different names like Monica, different names like no, not even if they talk of women now. Names like Monica, names like Lara. You know? Mamus.
You know,
Esther. Why you Skimpy? Why you can't they use me?
People, no,
don't like it.
I'll rephrase the statement.
Yes.
All those other girls, forget. If you see girls, my what they train. Like all these girls I mentioned just now. You
well.
Wait, you know, come on.
You well.
No be NGO they run.
Let's see your eye. You well. You well.
You just like to play move play. Okay, but sorry for you, that guy, they've cashed you and your own are finished. Okay, which one I want to talk now? This one I see Chinese gist again.
We are talking now.
Come, we not they like Chinese people for this.
Chinese people know well. Now they're not okay.
This guy, his name is Juan.
Juan
is dating some girls. Make I not even start like that, sir. For all those guys who did it for us, where they spoil the name of every young gentleman with the very responsible like me. Please, this. If that one kata go finish you for this earth where we did like this, so you go get kata for days. What's wrong to you? Now, Juan, he they do runs for back.
Oh.
But all the baby one thing the way in the runs. You know how many there be? 17.
John.
Where we know.
Hey.
17. Bad boy.
Badoski.
John, they do things for back. They do things for back. They
Young for the ladies.
Young for the girls them. Young for the girls them. Now, this guy now, one particular day, he can't go sick.
Yeah.
You and come sick, oh.
Oh.
Now they carry phone.
Oh my
hospital people can't carry phone. Can't they call
the girls one
people
by
they waiting for them. Let's say save their name as Jinkongwa, sister. Lan Chinwi, niece. Won Jihan, cousin 1. Jinjung V, cousin 2. You understand? So maybe don't call them. They call everybody. Oh yeah, oh, Mona come, oh, Mona brother dey for hospital. They don't know say they don't call 17 of his girlfriends.
Hey.
What now they call her? What's his name again?
Zhuang Li.
No, this one Wang Fang.
Hell.
Wang Fang. So when she heard the news, she couldn't cry. Why
you do me that?
They are crying, they fine. They are crying and ugly. She can't cry. She can't cry reach where she can't run go hospital. When she reach hospital, when she can't see assembly. She can't cry. She can't say different fine girls can't appear. Boom, and they catch him. Okay, wake up. You not sick again. 17.
Oh.
Yuan.
You are the man.
You are a Yuan.
But for the girls them.
All the Yuan for outside there when they watch like this, you are not staying to one woman. Let me tell you something. Please, time have passed when you are going to be playing that kind of pium play up and down. Please, as it be like this now, please behave yourself. All right? Please, if you're a man for the outside there, or you're a woman self, please, one man, one vote. One man, one woman. Please, why what happen? Why they do this thing like this? Please, please, integrity, loyalty, and let us vote right. Integrity, loyalty, and please stick to one person. Please, one woman, one man. Yuan, please. You see what you don't go do Zioli. And see what you don't go do to Wang Fang. It's not good. All right? Please. Thank you very much. What you the whisper give people? Come and get away with you. But we don't talk about particular gist. Also, I don't hear. That guy that give Chinese things for inside where they can't see cat 2 weeks later. Or this particular one where they runs different girls. You can't go sick. And they all of them catch them the same place. Boss! Go for our Twitter handle at Wazobia Paddy. When you reach there, drop your gist, drop your comments, and we go read them and get back to you. Why they shake your head?
Did I say anything? Kebi, you are giving them advice.
May we go break.
Laugh, one video.
I love that guy. Somehow.
Oh my God.
Somehow I just like him. Somehow. I don't know, but somehow. I just like that guy. But one word that you come from my mind since. They watch that thing. Oh, no, shit. It's like kind of person you go beat. You go beat a continuation from yesterday where we show the whole thing.
Agbala, so I don't turn mannequin. That's how I go just day.
They look now. Why you want to turn to mannequin? I'm not tough for turn to mannequin now. Then we don't say show no go finish. May the soul of the